Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is gradient, how steep a line is, rise over run. By the end of this video you'll know the formula, the sign convention and the trap of subtracting in inconsistent order. Definition. Gradient equals the change in y divided by the change in x, written as y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Pick any 2 points on the line, subtract the y values, subtract the x values, and divide. The answer is the same regardless of which 2 points you choose. That's what straight line means. Key insight. Positive gradient means the line goes up from left to right. Negative gradient means it goes down. The bigger the absolute value, the steeper the line. So a gradient of 2 is steeper than a gradient of 1/2. A gradient of 0 is a horizontal line. An undefined gradient is vertical. Common slip. Subtracting in inconsistent order. If your top is y2 minus y1, your bottom must be x2 minus x1, not x1 minus x2. Same order, both axes. Mix that up and you'll get the right magnitude with the wrong sign. So pick a top and a bottom point and stick to it. Quick example. Line through 1, 3 and 4, 9. Gradient equals 9 minus 3 over 4 minus 1. So that's 6 over 3, which equals 2. Positive gradient, so the line goes up. Slope of 2. For every step right, the line rises by 2.